Hey guys, today we got 2021 Rookies and Stars. We're looking for the autographs and memorabilia cards. This one's thick. Just so you know. Feels thick. They could all be thick because there's a lot of base in there. Maybe that's the better way. I could fan it. No. Stafford. Fitzmagic. Base cards are kind of cool with these.
Yeah.
Standing ovation. It's kind of cool. It's got like roses or something on the bottom.
Who was it?
It's Russell Wilson. Then action packed. Then Kid Reporter. Pack number 2. Whoa, there's something back there. Shiny.
Not an auto though.
No, it's some sort of parallel. Lamar. Terry. Rookie Rush, Kellen Mond. Then this is Rookies and Stars, Kyler Murray. Nice. That's a cool looking card. Then Chaz. Airborne. This is awesome. Put that in the sleeve. It's got kind of like that squares parallel. This checkers.
Yeah.
You want to see it? Look it up.
Sure.
That's a cool card. It's pack 3, I believe.
It's $1, $2.
$2 only for this?
I guess.
You kidding me? I'd rather just keep that than get $2. That's sad. Should be worth more than that. Corey Davis. There's another parallel. Star-studded Najee. Rookie card, that's cool. Put that up. Then we got what is this? Kadarius Toney, draft class. Action packed. Jordan Poyer. Elijah Moore rookie card. Kid Reporter. Some cool cards so far. Pack number 4, I believe. We need an auto, yeah. That's what we really want. But just gotta play the game, man. Keep looking. Jonathan Taylor. Godwin. Another standing ovation, Derrick Henry. I'd like to see that.
Yeah, that's good for you.
And we got Kirk Cousins red. And Owen. Kirk Cousins was red. I don't.
Check the back. Are those numbered at all? Probably not.
No. I can't imagine it's worth very much. I don't like when they just change the lettering.
Yeah.
You know, throw a parallel over the whole thing. Just change the lettering. That seems just so.
I think with those absolutes, there's a lot like that.
Yeah, Absolute does that a lot. They just change the green text. Wait, I mean, really, in the printing process, all they're doing is changing the color foil. They're not even putting much more money into it. Goff. Rodgers. Sneaking one.
Touchdown club.
Oh. Yeah. Rookie rush. Nico and a reporter. We got 2 packs left. Hoping for an auto.
Last pack.
It's gonna be in the last one.
Yeah, hopefully.
Kyler. Derrick Henry. Some sort of parallel back there. Action packed. Whoa. John Elway, Crusade.
That's cool.
That's cool, yeah. Kind of similar squares, parallel. Then Fanga. That's really cool. Got the old gear on. I like those cards. All right, last pack.
It was like $1 to $6.
$1 to $6, man. How far has John Elway fallen, man? $1. Last pack. That's where the heat is. You can feel it.
Is it heavy?
They're all heavy. Roquan, Gronk. Tight ends back to back. Tanny. Got a draft class for Stokes. Another red. Rookie Sherwood. That's it.
The last pack.
The last pack, it was nothing. These are so cool, though.
Yeah, they're cool looking.
Yeah. Airborne and the Crusade.
What is that other one?
Star-studded Najee rookie card. That could be worth something, but I bet you it's $1 to $6.
Well,
It's a rookie card.
Right now, but...
Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.